So I just showed up at Walmart and I really cannot believe how much it has changed in 2 days. Guess you know what that means. Let's go shopping. So this is what we're gonna do, you guys. They've got a ton of stuff, but we're gonna start with what I would wanna see first over here. So A+ for Walmart on their signs this year. This is a good size. I love what they embellished it with, and it's $17, $16.97. Just a nice round, good size. That'd be great on the front door, but this I am loving for $10.88. Vintage Farms pumpkin patch. That is just so beautiful. Down here they have one for $10.44 with the raised blessed sign, but down here these are so cute. They are definitely giving off Michael's vibes with these wooden crates. So they've got the Market Fresh in the white with produce on it. They're $16, and then they also have it in Main Street Mercantile in the black. So this could double as a server. You could do utensils and then plates in the back, or just use it as decor. Down below they've got some cute little gnomes and then some pumpkins that are gorgeous. These are $5.44. It looks like they were already sold out. Looks like they've grabbed quite a few. Those are the only two left. They also have a really cool looking ceramic truck. This one is $16. They have some little birds for $5.24 in the same color scheme. Down here, oh my goodness, for $7.44 they have some metal pumpkins, gorgeous in the black and the white. Up above they have more little signage, tier tray size. So this one, sort of a shadow carved metal for $5.44. They have the little house for $4. Down here for $3.27. They've got one, this is actually a green gingham. These are so cute for $4.57. So it's got the sweater in the center, and I love the beaded handle. It comes in the orange and the cream. And then they've got this house for $10.88. It's definitely a larger piece. This would be great maybe in the center of a wreath. Still can't get over how adorable these pumpkins are. I do wish they were $5, and maybe last year they would have been. They have more of those ceramic lanterns, but down here they have gorgeous sort of glazed candle pillars for $12, and they are super heavy. These are really, really nice, and I love that you could use them for any season. They're so neutral. They've got more lanterns back here and a little milk jug. That would be $6. And down here they've got some stacked fabric pumpkins that are $12. I love that plaid. So for wall hanging they have the grapevine style basket. It's $25. I think they did a great job with what they put in it. It is really well done. Definitely looks more like a Kirkland's item than Walmart. Down below they've got some scarecrows and some picks, and then they have these pumpkins. These are gorgeous. So these are priced at $7.44. These are like the ones I showed you guys at the Dollar Tree that were $5. So really good size. But for $7.44, I think I would go with the ones from the Dollar Tree. Up here they have some small trucks. They have it in a black and a white. It is only $6.47. And up here they have some miniature signs for $2.24 that are wood, little hangers, grateful and welcome. I love all the neutral pumpkins in this bin. This one in particular I just think is so pretty. Again, those are $7.44. Hiding over here, they've got a little hanging welcome truck sign, more of those gingham, and then they've got one of the pumpkins just kind of up top. They also have those little pumpkins that say hello fall with the beaded edge. Love those. And these for $4.34 that have a burlap texture on the front. These are gorgeous. These are so adorable. For 98 cents, they just look like the pom-poms, but they're actually miniature pumpkins. So down here they have a little, I don't know, centerpiece, a little, I don't know, what would you call this? Little piece of tabletop decor. I'm not sure what the price on this one is. It's just kind of sitting alone, but below it for $22.64, they have a very metal farmhouse looking tiered tray. Now these I'm gonna give a D-. These are supposed to be mini pillows. These to me look like dog toys. Sorry, I just am not a fan. They're $5. They do have these little place markers. Now, you know, Dollar Tree has something that looks like this. You could DIY this very simply. Those just say gather. And then up here they have some more decor. They have a wreath, and that one is just under $25. I like this a lot. It's $15. It doesn't give cutting board vibes until you look closer. So it's a larger version than the one that Dollar Tree put out, but they did a really nice job embellishing it with the floral. I don't think you really notice that it's a cutting board though. First off, it's $16. I love the bottom, and then they also have a wood stacked pumpkin welcome sign. That one is $4.44. They also have a really cute pumpkin garland. This one with some little clothespins. These are all fabric. Some smaller little hanging signs, some acorns, and then more pumpkins. So this is gorgeous in the sweater print. $6.98. They also have the larger pumpkins. These come in cream, and I see a green one. Oh, there's also an orange one as well. They have some accent decor. These are just little plates, and then down here I think these are really cute, and I think that they're actually $8.98. It comes in the cream and in the orange. So with each of their fall collections, they're doing a wreath. That one is $25. They've also got a window. This one in a grateful. I love the colors in these. This one is $20. They have lots of little floral accents with ribbon. A grapevine pumpkin for $17. And it has a little hanging welcome sign. So this is a very busy Walmart, and I'm guessing that things are going to be a little bit out of place, so we'll just go with it. They do have a couple of small pumpkins. This one's adorable. I think it goes with the collection there on the end, so I think we'll see this again. It is a $3.44 item. They do have their bundles of pumpkins, so these are actually $3.28. I think that's a fair price, and they have different color options. Ooh, I love this one with the burgundy in it. They also have a few different of the wood pumpkin garlands. I love this one. It is 72 inches long. It's only $4.47. Those are wood. They also have it in an orange version. They have lots of little pumpkins. Those look like they're all $5.44. Down here they've got their larger pumpkins. Now I will notice that last year I believe these were $6.48 for this size, and this year they've gone up to $7.44, just like everything else. More expensive this year, so they've got a few different colors. We're gonna sort of stroll after I show you guys the decor, and I'll show you all the different color options in the pumpkins. So this is really interesting. I have not seen these before. This is $5.54. They're sort of a medium size gourd and pumpkin bundle. Down here they have some smaller pumpkins that are still a good size for $3.37. So over here they have a tobacco basket welcome item. That's $25. Great for a front door. I do love the orange sunflowers on that. They also have a really cute little gnome welcome sign. It's only $6.44. And then they brought these back. These have been around the last couple years. This year it's $7.44. They have lots of open spaces, so either they're still stocking or they've already sold out of some items. This is really cute for $3.28. It's just a little hanging garland wood beaded piece in Welcome Fall. I think that's really cute. They have the grapevine cross for $10, and then all kinds of scarecrows and gnomes, just different little decor pieces. So they have some sisal animals. These are all $3.98 a piece. And we're going to see this again, it's down below, but I thought that was really cute. It was just kind of sitting there. They do have some pumpkins for $10.88. These are $1.14. Some really cute prints. I like that green gingham. They've got it in orange and in black. They've got that plaid and a really pretty stripe. So these would probably have been $1 last year. Down below they have scarecrow picks for $1 and some really cute scarecrow statues. So these are the standing ones. Those look like they are priced between $12 and $10. Down here they have some really cute wooden pumpkins. I love these. So come in a cream and an orange. Those are $5.44. They also have some really cute little gnomes. Those are under $5. They're only $4.84. I love the colors on this guy. This one's got the little orange beard. And they have these felted items. So I think this is the $8.94. It's like a felted item. It's really cool. And they've got more of those little characters down here. It looks like those are $8.94 as well. Got a little squirrel and an owl. And I just noticed behind them, they've got a really cute autumn porcupine, I believe. Really cute. Side note, they do have some sitting scarecrows. Those I think are priced at $7. Up here they have another sign. It is $4.77. It says autumn is my favorite color. I think they are all the same on this rack. They also have Happy Fall. This one is the same price point. And then this one as well is $4.47 with the little hanging dangly pumpkins. They have some small signs for $2.50. It comes in blessed and in grateful and in the mustard thankful. Over here they have the ceramic lanterns. Those are $4 a piece. They come in the 3 colors. They have the little wooden cutout characters. It's a porcupine and a squirrel. And I just noticed this little felted guy that we saw over here. They have another one, which is the owl on a white pumpkin. And then these are always some of my favorite pumpkins every year. I love the little spindly tops. These are $5. They come in the cream, the orange, and the green. Over here for $3.88, they have a few mason jar signs in 2 different colors. Down here I'm finding some stacked signs. Those are $6.44. They've got a truck version and welcome friends. I do like the addition of the brown. I'm loving brown this year. Ooh, these are really pretty down here for $16.88. They are topiaries. I see that one in the back. Let me grab it. So I love this one. It's green, orange, and cream, and then they've got the more traditional colored orange and burgundy. I have a ton of these little baskets over here. I think these are ranging from $13.50 all the way down to $6. All right, now that we've looked at all the decor, I'm gonna stroll through some of the lanterns and wreaths and pumpkins and picks.
Well, maybe it was fate when you walked in the door. I could have sworn I've seen your face before. So glad that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to hold. All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God
I hope you enjoyed coming with me to Walmart. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.